we decided that we needed to get out of the house today to go somewhere that wasn't just B&Q. So we went to a nice little plant sale in Greenwich, got just a few plants, had some corn dogs for lunch, which Andy insisted on filming, and some really nice cake.
What are you? Cute husband. It was really tasty.
Good.
Mmm. Got just a nice little haul of some irises, oregano, fennel, just a couple little sedums at the garden show today. Just missed about 50 birds fighting over the bird seed. Okay, we're back and we're gonna deal with the rest of this wall today. So what we're gonna try to do is, I've watered down the mist coat even more. We're gonna put it up, let the walls get a little bit gummy, and then we'll see if we can scrape it right back off while it's gummy. So we've put some protector down because while I don't mind getting a bit of paint and such on the subfloors, this is gonna be gooey and I don't want that. But hopefully then all we've got to do is sand down what's the underneath bit. So I've got some more discs for that. So let's see if this method works. There we go. Well, that worked relatively quickly. So you can see there's already some bubbles popping up. So if I was to get in behind there, how fast will you let me scrape it away?
That's better than I was expecting of you, having left it almost literally no time at all.
Yeah, well, I'm also just trying to see, like, obviously it's going right under the white. No, it's good.
That's
Nice.
well. That suggests the absolute, complete impunity of anything we've done in this room up to this point.
Indeed, but it also hopefully then means it'll come back off quickly. So
Yes.
let's tear this room apart.
Way.
The good news is this method works.
Yeah.
The bad news is we are very fat and this is very, very tiring. So we're gonna go take a wee break, then we'll come back and wet it again and go nuts. Won't that be fun, honey? So overall, well, it's very annoying to have to do this. It's coming off so much easier than we thought. We've already got that wall done, basically, and ready to sand once Andy gets the last little corner. So we will... Yeah, and apparently this side's going to be even easier. So
yes, as mentioned, completely pointless. Anything we did in here instead of paying someone to do. Rumble grumble.
yeah, but it could be a lot worse. So I'm gonna let Andy despair. I'm just glad we have a plan and an easy way to get it off.
Oh, yeah.
And this wall, it doesn't look like we'll barely even have to sand, so it's a setback, but hopefully only a setback of a week. We can get it ready to paint next weekend, or whenever. We kind of destroyed our elbows. It's a lot of torque trying to turn it, and I already have a bad elbow, so I think that's going to be it. But honestly, the fact that that wall is basically done, this wall is like more than half done, I would say.
Close enough to half.
Or at least half-ish.
Half-ish, yes.
Half-ish. We will have to do a little bit on this other wall, but not very much because there's already quite a lot of skim on that one. So, yeah, I mean, it's definitely another full day worth of work, and then probably another day of sanding, and then a couple of days of plastering. But it went better than expected. We're very productive. We're now going to sweep up this mess and go take baths because we're pretty gross. And we'll catch ya when we catch ya.